Number one, you want to use headphones. And I wouldn't recommend the ones that are wireless. I would recommend the ones that have a cable for one particular reason. The fact that you don't have to worry about charging them. You know, you don't have to worry about, are they charged? Are they not? Am I losing battery? Am I not? So I personally like using the actual cable. Number two, you don't need both earpieces. Why? Because most of the time when you're calling these people, you're hearing the phone ring. So why do you really need to hear, both with both ears, a phone ringing? One is enough, right? Because, you need bing, it'll drive you nuts, especially if we're doing this for quite a few hours a day, every day. Number three, volume. Keep it low. You're just hearing the phone ring. Now, when that person picks up the phone, or anybody, you turn the volume up, you put the second, piece on. Or even not yet, when you're talking to the actual owner, because you might be talking to the wrong number and you don't have to get all, but if you're talking to a homeowner, you want to be like, oh, hi, Larry. Yeah, sure, Larry. Boom, second hearing, second earpiece, volume up. Yeah, good to hear you, yada, 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 okay? And another thing, your scripts. You want to keep them handy where you can see them, okay? Like right in front of you, especially if you're like me that you speak more than one language, you want to keep them in front of you. You don't have to go word by word. I think you want to keep it natural. You want to remember the essence of the script, but you want to keep it natural, okay? And one more thing that might really help you is talk to them like you already know them. Hey, Mark. Hey, Mark. Hey. Like you're already not laughing, but like you're having a great day, okay? So just a few tips for you. If you are considering getting Vulcan 7, I love Vulcan 7. That's why, I'm doing this video and I've done quite a few others. I personally love their customer service, love their interface, love everything about them. If you want to join, I'm leaving my affiliate link in the video description. Usually with that link, you can get some sort of promo. Sometimes it's a free month, sometimes it's half off. So just click on it and hopefully, you'll get something. And other than that, if you have any questions, if you want me to make any particular video about anything, put them in the comments and stay tuned for more.